no more. No more. Get no catch it. Who polluted this compound like this now? My own self's compound. Who did this now? Who could be smelling like this? It's okay, sir. It's okay, sir. What is it that you did inside your house that has polluted the entire compound?
This is my compound. Whatever I do in my compound is none of your business.
Also, this is your compound.
Mm-hmm.
So you don't know the owner of this compound? You don't know?
Maybe you should tell me who the owner is.
Okay, let me answer your question. This compound belongs to my son, Ahamefula. He is the head of this family. I'm not very baptized. Oh no, I'm not here. Only one I have baptized, and that is Ahamefula.
I think you are drunk this morning. You've taken all those local things you've been taking. It makes you mad. You are drunk, and get out of my face.
You don't order me out. You cannot order me out because I came here on my own. Willingly. See, I come to sound a note of warning to you. Any day I perceive any foul odor in this compound, be it behind the compound, be it at the front, beyond, underneath, anywhere I perceive rubbish. Oh, Trego. You know cooking hello. You know cooking hello training. Oh, what then can get at Timothy? Where?
How dare you pour out my food? I will surely make you pay for this dearly. I can see that you've gone mad.
Mad! You is a madness.
You
madness! Hey! Can put it here small? You joke, ask him, can put it here? Young, come close. Come now.
He would see.
It's a broker. I'm on pen!
Maduka, hurry up. Okay.
What's that, DK? What is going on here?
What does it look like that is going on here? Tell me.
I hope you're not trying to cut down that bunch of palm nuts.
Maduka, please hurry up. After here now, you're going to cut another one. Okay. Very close to the forest. Okay.
Maduka, I will not warn you again. Don't try climbing that tree.
What is this one talking about?
Maduka, ignore her. She's just a woman. Go ahead.
Okay.
Eliza, are you mad? You want to wound him?
Are you still there?
Don't break my head.
Are you still there?
Have you got him, Madaga, on what? Maduka, yeah, Eliza. If you don't live here now, I'm going to beat the hell out of you. Get out of this place.
Beat the hell out of you. I caught you now, trying to see my palm nut. And you're eating of you to show the mouth. You're here shouting, go police, you want to collect my palm nut.
What palm nut are you talking about? Palm nut that is found in my own farmland, my land. How does it become your own again?
Found? In your own farmland? Let me tell you, this particular land is the family land. And my son, Ahamefula, as the head of the family, I have Oprah.
Hey! Ahmad, you've gone mad. Which son are you talking about? I said it. You must be taken to a psychiatric hospital immediately.
I can say that there is a problem between both of you here because of this palm fruit. I will come back when you guys are settled. Thank you, sir.
Maduka, Why are you behaving like a woman?
You don't understand.
Don't walk away. Hey, just a metre from a woman. And you, Eliza. And you. You are taking too much. Eliza, you're always fomenting trouble. So don't worry. By the way, why am I still exchanging words with you? Why? I know what to do to you. I know what to do to you.
You and your brother is here. You want to collect all the family property or that work room? Murono mama murono. Aha be fula. Opera weji. Etebe no kutota murono. Unu kude unu rata sacha ya ho. O ya opera weji. Maka obira no bi nwata kere. Mo le nwata kere be ju si oyi.
My mother is calling you. My mother is calling you.
Huh?
My mother is calling you.
Your mother?
Yes.
She's calling me.
Yes.
Where is she?
She is at Icheke Road.
Icheke Road?
Yes.
She asked you to call me.
Yes.
Now?
Yes.
Then why are you running?
I don't know.
Let's go. Just stay in front, eh? Are you sure no one is pushing you?
No one is pushing you.
You go in, let me be watching you.
Queen Elizabeth.
Amen.
Queen Elizabeth of England.
Hey!
My children, go inside and change your dress.
Change your clothes, though.
Now.
My husband, if I hadn't gone there to confront them, you see this palm nut? You would have claimed ownership.
I know
him now.
I know. Thieves all over the place. Okay, say thief. Ejike, thief. Okay, every one of them, they are all thieves. See, keeping on.
Yes.
Keep confronting them.
I will keep keeping on.
Yes.
And I will keep confronting them. So long as they refuse to agree to my own government. Government. This time around, this is my own government.
Yes.
If they refuse, me self I refuse. Not now, not ever.
Let's take it in. Very soon now they'll start coming nosing to this place.
Well, if he insists for me, I'm equal to the task.
Queen Elizabeth of England.
Amen.
That one. Let us take this thing.
Oh, we had the hotel.
Icheko.
Maduka, why did you allow that woman to intimidate you in the first place? Why? Then you should have cut off her head. That's why you are a man. Huh?
I don't even know what is wrong with that mad girl. You said that she doesn't know their own parties again.
Can you imagine?
And I put up with Elizabeth. I will deal with her one day.
I even expected Maduka to chase her with his cutlass. He just walked away.
I realize it's a family matter now. Why will Mama?
Because I put your room and put
Maduka, I'm really disappointed in you. Look at you. A male woman stole you down from pantry. And you are here talking nonsense.
Somebody has cut off the bunch.
Hey! Who there must have cut it?
Who else? Who else if not that mad dog you call Eliza? Who else?
Then she will see trouble today. I am going to deal with her.
That woman has beaten more than she can chew.
Oh, my God.
Huh?
I know. She's just calling for war.
She must produce them.
She must get the war.
And that war she must get. Can you imagine this? Huh? Where is that stupid thief of a woman? Where is her? Back on her. Eliza!
You better come out, so don't waste our time.
Zutaba. Eliza! Again, one alien sing Lanyu. Idiot.
What are you people doing in my compound?
Yeah, Eliza. Who caught those palm nuts in Mazejike's land?
Ichiokeze, we are not here for questions and answers. Just tell her to bring out the palm nuts. See, I'm here with Fancy.
Go and bring them out.
Mazi Ojike. You could hear before I do something that you will regret all the days of her miserable life.
Look at this fool. Onyoshi, what can you do? What else can you do? What would this Onyoshi? Onyoshi.
Elisa, or whatever name they call you. If you don't want this trouble, just go in there now and pack all those palm fruits you collected. Yes. I'll go beyond this level.
Hey, let it go beyond. Let it go beyond any level. Okay? Is your name written on that palm tree? Is your name written on that palm tree? Oh, what on our side?
Useless people. Aposhala has statue of liberty. Ten commandments to Puna. Simple thing that children used to sing nursery rhyme. Thou shalt not covet your neighbor's property or goods. My son, Ahamefula, is the head of this family. Therefore, I have every right to every farmland in this family.
We have 5 farmlands in this compound. 5! But you and your brother have shared 4. Leaving us with just 1. Is it fair? Is it fair? Is it fair?
I am surprised that you are the one asking that stupid question.
Why?
Because you know that land is being cultivated by Mazi Ejike. It's his land.
It is cultivating it. It is cultivating it. Does it make it his own personal property? I wonder. I am about juggle.
Yes.
Does it make it his personal property?
Elizabeth, where Obi Wayo, Panye butere mukwa, kambudu lawa.
Simple.
Lekwe ferem chai.
Wait.
Come, Elizabeth. How dare you call my wife Onyanwanagiji?
Can you imagine? Chaya, Papa. All right. All right.
I was in my house taking a nap when I suddenly heard groaning, screaming, all sorts of noise. And I called my daughter to find out what was going on, where the noise was coming from. And she told me that it is from this very compound. And when my son came in, I tried to find out. And he told me that members of the Concord family were fighting. We, the elders of this kindred, have come to find out from you what the problem is. Ichie, okay, Zie. As the eldest son of this very family, tell us, what is the problem?
I greet you all. What happened was that Eliza stopped Mazi Ejike from cutting down his palm nuts. And by the time we got there, Eliza had already cut down the palm nuts and
please tell them how that palm tree suddenly became Mazi Ejike's own.
Will you keep quiet, woman? What is wrong with you? Allow him to finish.
Allow him to finish. We are listening.
well, and when we got home, Ngozi and Eliza were there, and we asked them to produce the palm nuts, and that was what led to the fighting.
Okay. Ngozi, what happened?
What happened was that.
Shut up! Okay, why are you shutting her up? Why? The channel!
Didn't you hear when that was sitting beside you? Didn't you hear when he opened his smelling mouth and said that I stole your important husband from not? Didn't you hear it?
Eliza, you are the rulers. Breaking your tongue. Wait. Eliza, are you calling me impotent?
I'm a woman.
Me?
Half man, half woman.
Why?
You know what you eh? Mama Walaga, Moke, Nation, Kitty Pom, Nation. Erund. What you begin kitchen one? Elisa, now for my mouth, you want here say, not being born all those children. You want a man? I hear what?
No.
Who tied this goat here? Who tied this goat here? The person should come out and answer me now.
Elizabeth, what is your problem? What is the matter? Why are you shouting about this goat?
Who owns this goat?
Why are you asking that foolish question?
It's your case here. It's your case here. If you are the owner of this goat, I want to know, why didn't you take permission from me before bringing a goat into this compound?
Me? Take permission from me? Before bringing a goat into my father's compound, eh? Huh? I can see you have gone mad.
Your father's compound, eh?
Yes.
Nobody's contesting that with you. Your father's compound. Your dead father's compound. Past tense. My son's compound. Present tense. My son's compound. Present, continuous, and participle. On hold. Eh? See, let me tell you, you don't have any right to bring in goat or any other animal inside this compound without my express permission.
I don't think I'm prepared for your madness this moment. Yes.
You brought madness. Me? Man, your man can me madness. It is your dead wife and all your children that are mine.
How dare you speak to me in such a manner?
Oh, we are on Ambalaga. On Ambalaga, how dare you? See, let me tell you. You see this goat? I will not allow it to spend another 1 minute here. See the way it's doing by disturbing the entire compound. Oh, him there, huh? Oh, this one, Gragaga, every jack. Every man shop, every man. You went and bought a goat that is as stupid as you are.
The queen soon didn't know. Why you, Mamu? Faga to him, Emanamu for life.
Tired of the name. I have to mean. Mamma, hat of one. But has about one. You won't set out on your catapult. You want to go? Nichianila, every Gunilla, when I will come on a purgatory, and bully where you could take a guama. Brother, ask him how they could take a guama. Oh, my goodness, I got you up, brother, or love him, also to look at goodbye, Mamma. How you never bring one?
Dare touch the goat again and see what I will do to you.
Touch it again and see what I will do to you.
I'm a touch here. I didn't get it. What am I want? Oh, I'm a cabin. I'm a cabin.
My queen. The only queen in the whole wide world. No, it's like where are you coming from?
One in mass, of course.
Honey mass. The way you are taking this honey mass, you are taking it too serious.
What will I do now? Oh, say Ligwe.
Oh no, what all with them. You know, when you came in, I thought you are coming to preach to me, and I'm going out now.
I'm coming to preach to you now. But it seems you're going out.
Yes, I'm going out. I want to go to Mazu Dodge's house. He's owing me. He said I should come now and collect the money. You know, if I don't go now, he will start telling me story. Yeah, but now, yeah, but now, you know, I have to rush so that I will pick up my cash. Yes.
I don't want.
I don't want.
I wanted to preach to you, but since you're occupied, let me go and look for an able-bodied man that I can preach to.
I don't understand.
An able-bodied man that is in the mood.
Mood? No, shh. Queen Ukem, the queen of my heart, the heartbeat, the heart yoko. I thought you are coming to preach the New Testament and the Old Testament. I'm in the mood. I'm in the mood now. I can give it to you.
Oh, this one he said you're going to collect money. Will I get full attention?
I will have, see, I am full current too. With or without charging, I am charged. Have you forgotten how we do? Why you always? Why you always?
I am going to say nothing again. I'm not going to have one more time.
Bread and butter. Come again on no. Queen Elizabeth!
I'm very preach.
Ellie!
Let him know. I like it. I don't like it. I don't like it.
Queen Elizabeth!
I don't like it.
I don't know what to say.
I don't like it.
Queen Elizabeth! Any other queen is counterfeit. Any other queen is counterfeit. Change it.
I have had you all. Ngozi, we all know your reason for bringing Eliza into this family. To bear children for your late husband. And our tradition allows that. But there's something I want you all to realize. That in the absence of Udoka, your late husband, his immediate younger brother, Ichie Okezie, becomes the head of the family as our culture and tradition demand.
Which stupid tradition?
She's part of our tradition.
Which stupid tradition? See, my son Ahamefla is the head of this family. Full final stop.
Now shut that emptiness that you call mom. Shut it up this moment.
She does not have any respect
for
elders. Just hold your own. Why are you shutting her up? When she is saying the right thing, why are you shutting her up?
What?
Always say the truth. You're a liar. Behind your age now. What is all this?
Come, Elisa. How dare you call Chifude a titled man a liar?
Woman, you dare not insult your elder.
Hey!
Did I insult him? Did I insult him now? I only told him who he is. Okay, what other name did they give to person, someone that lies? If not a liar. It's Ashi. Who want Ashi?
Abomination.
Abomination.
You have insulted your father.
Be a liar, my own father. My ass is obvious that the three of you are together in this thing. In fact, all of you are goats.
Do you realize you are talking to titled men here? Don't you know that? That we are titled men?
What is titled men? What do you mean by that?
Hey!
I never knew you open your mouth to talk. You're the most foolish human being I've ever set my eyes on. In fact, you're a goat. Richie! Okay, so you're a goat.
Sir! An abomination.
It's okay.
Look at her.
Calm down.
Before me here?
Yeah, please. Don't touch her.
Oh, now allow him to touch her a little. What more? I don't care what you people are saying. I'm not interested in your discussion. All I know is that Ahamefula, my son, is the head of this family. Full stop!
You!
Oh, Gabriel, I'm not here. You know, where go you! All I know is that my son, Ahamefula, is the head of this family. Full final stop. So you better hear it. Alam no lava. You see, now you should have allowed. No, you should have allowed. Oh no, why never you make it? Shut up! Why never you make it? I had to make one. I was here. You work. Why you no alone? I be a you are alone. Why you here?
You know it. I like the way you talk to them. I like it. Look at those bunch of fools. They are not to be bothered about. Those ones.
Husband, those ones are small now. Huh? They met their match today. Huh? Okay, can you imagine? Of all the people around, the person they went and invited to come and dictate who the head of the family is Mazude. A fool that had not been able to cure the madness in his house.
I wonder. I really wonder.
Do you know what I'm thinking about? Yeah. They may have promised him something. Maybe to give him a piece of land. That was why he came.
Bye. Hey, Lisa Wandemo. My in-law. How are you?
You're welcome, my
Elisa.
Brother, welcome.
Thank you. Thank you.
Go and bring him a seat.
We are fine.
Hey,
no.
Yeah.
You're welcome.
Yes, bro. My in-law.
Yeah, we are fine.
Everything is okay, eh?
Well, how can everything be okay?
Because looking at both your faces, I don't think everything is okay.
How can everything be okay? When my brother-in-laws, all of them, they want to take everything that belongs to my husband to themselves. Eh? If not for this girl, my queen, that gave me a son, in his own, he would have driven me away from this family. Yes.
Queen Elizabeth, how many times have I told you to tell me once anybody gives you trouble anywhere? Eh?
Well, these ones are now among now. They are a bunch of fools now. I can handle them.
Eh? You are sure, eh? Hey, Queen Elizabeth, one more. That's what I'm talking about now. I trust you. But don't forget to tell me whenever anybody at all tries to mess with you, eh? And you know I will not allow anybody to mess up with you. Not when I know what I know now.
Hey. Hey,
eh? My in-law.
My in-law. Oh, at least could be that to go do. Thank you very much.
No problem, no problem. Nothing, Megan, nothing,
Megan.
Megan.
Spoken well, thank you.
Elisa. Anything in the my in-law.
Hey.
Elisa. See, while I was coming back, I saw Nche Okeze staring at the plantain tree. That one at the Wangene. Those ones, I am sure from the way he was staring at it, there must be some bunches in the karaka in it. Hey! Hey!
I get prayed there.
Let's go now. Do I come? No, no need. Should you come with me? Should you come? Okay, Zie. What did I ever do to you?
Hey, sorry. Hey. Nukwa.
I told you, let's come and call this thing. You said no, let's leave it till tomorrow, let's leave it till tomorrow.
Thank God I listened to you. This one is very strong.
This man is coming to this place.
Which man?
Your uncle.
You see? It is said that every day is for the thief, but one day is for the owner. So what is happening here? Stop looking at me like that. I said, what is happening here? Did I ask you to cut my plantain for me? Did I?
I did not cut down the plantain for you. I cut down this plantain for myself, me and I.
Why? Why must you do that? Thief. Don't you know that this plantain belongs to me? You don't know that?
If there's anything here, it's you. If you're a thief.
Look at this, look at this idiot. You open your mouth and call a titled man like me a thief? And what's the meaning of that? What did you just tell her? What did you say?
I was talking to her myself.
Better, and you better shut off from this moment. Now give me that plantain now. I said, hand it over to me.
Talk and do. If you come close to this place, I will use this machete and visit you and bring your cup to the door.
I said, give me this plantain because since you came into this family, haven't you noticed that I'm the one cutting harvesting all this a bunch of plantain?
Since you are the one harvesting, this is the time for you to allow her to harvest.
I said, shut up now. Shut up! Now you come into the matter that does not belong to you. Look at you! Hey, give me that plantain, quick. Hand it over to me. Hey.
I got prepare.
Hey.
I got prepare. I got prepare.
Don't dare me.
Anytime she's angry, that's how she used to cut people into 2 or 3 pieces. So please.
Come close now.
I'll grab a plantain natural.
Come closer. Don't try this thing next time. If you try it,
Afọ amalo. Nwanyị anụta. Baraidu da. Ha! Okokoko. Hey! Where is that thief? Where is that thief of a woman? Come out here! I have come for you. Come out!
Okay. What is the problem?
The problem is that woman that you brought into this family as your wife. Where is she?
Why are you still asking? She's in there. Let her come out now.
Let her come out and we're serious about that. Hey, come here. Come here! I'm not here for you to laugh at yourself. Laughing at your own calamity.
Elizabeth, you really sure? Okay, you want to invite your wretched brother to come and fight me, Police who
You see, it's you and your generation that are very wretched.
Hi! See, you people are looking for our trouble. What is really the matter?
Tell the thief, Eliza or whatever she's called, to go in there and bring out the bunch of plantain. My plantain.
Stole the bunch of
Yes.
Can anyone steal what rightly belongs to her? And then hear me. These plantain trees were planted by my husband when he was alive, and he was cultivating on this land. So how come the plantain now become yours?
Will you shut up? Shut that to your mouth and let me advise you. When you do not know, try to ask questions to know. Look at you, saying what you don't know. I was the one harvesting those plantain. Those plantain trees. I was the one harvesting it even before your husband took sick and they died.
What is going on here? Why you have time? How can you be explaining all these things to these 2 idiots?
You call me idiot?
How dare you open this filthy mouth to call me an idiot. Huh?
A woman.
Whatever. Go in there and bring those bunch of plantain. Now or never.
Yes.
No problem. Today is your lucky day.
Eh?
Today is a very beautiful day. I don't want problem.
Good.
I like.
Hand them over to me.
I like orderliness.
Bring it, let's go.
You're becoming a good woman.
Can you listen to yourself? Plantain, you harvest it. Does it mean it is yours?
If you
Does it
like
mean it's yours?
here.
Where are you running to? You should have waited. Idiot plantain. Elizabeth. Oh, me. Queen Elizabeth. Oh, me. Queen Elizabeth of England.
You don't know England.
Oh. I am so proud of you. I am really proud of you. That was why I married you. You know that if not for you, these people that call themselves my husband's brothers would have disinherited me from whatever belonged to my husband.
My husband that will thank you.
Hey!
Come and carry plantain.
Elizabeth.
Hey! I didn't know that this woman is mad. Huh?
I said it. I said it.
I told you she's no longer normal.
You said
yes. I don't know, she's getting mad.
I said it too, but I thought that she was just being foolish. Huh? I never knew that madness has joined it together. Hey!
Ichi, what do we do? What do you do?
Because the rate at which she's running this madness, she may succeed in taking all that belongs to us.
No. Don't go there. Eh? She is not going to do anything. She's not taking anything away from us. Eh? You know what? Enter your hut and rest. We shall deal with her. Eh? Let me think of how to handle her. Go in and rest.
Okay.
Hey! Hey! Allah kawani ago bulumwa. Baka neka, egwatuya. Jetu awani ibe, go awani agibe, ogologe chi echichi. Idiot. Aya ba. Kaya wonya wa. Ko anya.
I say it will never happen. This is height of wickedness.
Well, I have said my piece. I won't repeat myself again on this issue.
Yeah. Manya. I'm going to come to the manya. Hey. Yeah. Oh. Hey. Yeah.
Mama, what is the problem?
That is what I'm saying. He just came here to come and vomit rubbish. He said that land at Yelu has been sold by them. And that we should never go there to do any kind of farming. Because that land does not belong to the family anymore.
Why would he say that kind of thing? Wait, Jimoma. I mean, he came in there. He came in here and vomited that kind of rubbish. You allowed him to just go like that.
Hey! Do you know that he said that it is a bank that bought that land? And that bank said anybody that would trespass on that land, that person is going to be prosecuted and arrested and imprisoned, and he said so many things.
And as a child of God that I am, I decree and declare any bank that they put in that land, any bank that they will structure there, they will be major. My husband said amen.
Amen.
Any bank that they put there, they will be for you.
Amen.
Any bank that they put there, they will be amen.
Amen.
Look at God. See, wait a minute. I am coming. Anga preto as well. Anga preto.
Hey! Hey! What is this now?
Ichie.
Yes.
What did Elizabeth say when you gave them the news?
Well, she wasn't there. It was while I was leaving that I saw her coming back, even though she was carrying Bible or coming back from God knows where she went to.
Oh, here she comes.
What was that rubbish you came there to commit? Oh, wait, you are planning to sell that land at Iyenu Ekwa?
Point of correction, we are not planning.
We have sold that land. But when I meet about
it's all nonsense! You two of you are thieves! Go!
Will you shut up and get out of here?
Oh, don't let them take down your mouth.
Wait, Elizabeth, or whatever name you are called. You are holding Bible. At the same time, calling Amajon.
Can you imagine?
Can you check in everything?
What are you worshiping? What is your business? Let me tell you, you don't have any right to sell any family property without the consent of my son.
Wait.
It can never happen.
Wait. Let us quickly remind her here that your son is not a member of our family. We just allowed him to be answering our name because his blood does not flow in us. Can't you see that?
Look at that. And let me remind you also that you should be very grateful that you allow your son, the same son, to bear our name.
See, I have come to warn the two of you that you don't have any power whatsoever to sell any of the family land or any of the family property anywhere it is. See, if you have already sold and collected money, because I know you very well, better go and return that money immediately. Go and return it. If not, I will show you why they call me with Elizabeth. I prepare small. I got prepare. Dosh.
Listen, you are. Iche, can you imagine this? This woman is a Jezebel. And
don't dignify her with a response. On your wago, let her go.
They said that my son Ahamekula is a member of their family by name, not by blood.
Yeah?
I'm coming. Therefore, he does not have equal rights with other male members of the family.
Hey! Obobo! You mean those two big, old for nothing fools opened their mouth to tell you such a thing? To tell you such a thing? Eh?
Hey, my brother, they said a lot too. A lot.
What did they say? Tell me everything they said.
That will be a talk for another day. My pain now is that just 2 days ago, I paid some people that will go and clear the land for me. Hoping to farm there next week. Now they went and sold it, just like that.
Ora, no way. There is no way anybody at all can take that piece of land away from you. No way anybody will take that land away from you. Not when I know what I know now.
Hey, John Bosco. I know I will always count on you. Intimidation.
Wait, there's somewhere we will go now. Let me wear my shoe and get my Bible. We are going somewhere now.
Okay. John Bosco. Oh, here they came. You ezigbote nwanne. Nwanne ga na-enye gị ntụziaka. Ntụziaka ọma.
How can anybody ride my own sister? My own beautiful sister like that? It is not possible.
No.
Blood! Today, we will do what the Holy Book said. It said that in John, since the time of John the Baptist, that the kingdom of God suffereth violence, and that the violent taketh it by force. Yes. Today, we will take back that land that belongs to you by force and by fire.
Yes, sir!
That's me now. Hey.
But which place in the Bible do we have that quotation?
I think it's in Genesis or even John Bosco. Yes, Genesis or John Bosco. Yes.
Also?
John Bosco? Is John Bosco in the Bible?
Hey. To be honest, my sister, I don't know. You know, since I bought this Bible 6 years ago, I have not opened it.
Ebe!
Okay.
Ebe! 6 years. Ebe. Saturday again, I be angacha. Saturday kozo. Can I call 5 years? I sharp a blame.
But don't worry, we'll talk about Bible later. Right now, let us solve our immediate problem. Come, let us.
Ikuku!
Great Ikuku. We greet you.
So, how may I help you?
Thank you, Great Ikuku. You see, we need Ikuku's help. Okay. My sister here, Queen Elizabeth, has a little problem in the family where she is married. You see, she had already prepared a piece of land where she intended to farm and plant this farming season. But her husband's brothers, they just went there and sold the piece of land without her knowledge, without her informing her. They just sold the piece of land. So, Ikuku, we have come to beg you to please help her to preserve that land for herself and her children. That's why we have come.
Ikuku has heard you.
Thank you, great Ikuku.
Ikukule kukule kukule ku. Ikukule kukule kukule ku. Woman, you must bring something that belongs to you and drop it inside the smoking pot now. Also, Nandi Nemo, Nandi Nago, Nandi Nemo, Ndogo. Ikukule kukule kukule ku. Ikukule kukule kukule ku. Nokole lolu wala gode kuku bulu ga nogode amalie. Udene kalaka na mapozu afono. Acho aja fude na mali family bende mu ono. Sisi gogo de bele ka dugo na nugo no koslipu koslim. Woman. Come and pick it up. Come. Pick it up and go back. Kukule, 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 kukule. Udene kalaka na mapu osu afo.
Pick it up. That is it. Yes. Go back to your seat.
Thank you, great Ikuku. Thank you very much.
Now listen. Once you leave this place, go to that same land. Bury this thing on that land. And the Ikuku will do the rest for you.
No problem, Ikuku.
Now,
Just do as you say.
that is it. Ikuku has heard you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Now, if that is all, you know what to do.
Yes, now, of course. We know.
Ikuku.
Ikuku.
Oh, yeah.
Ikuku.
Oh, yeah.
Ikuku. Imela, how would you know?
This one.
Over Ikuku, all and all. Let me see how those monkeys will not go and enter that farmland. Amoga. They don't know what I know now. Where did you keep that thing?
Somewhere here.
Let's go and put it there direct.
We're going there now.
Okay, you want to come at this one? I'm on call.
Wait,
okay.
Our Bibles.
Let me get it.
Hey. Hey. Kaota. Ichiokezie. Amazi. Ijike. Chanaka gorom.
We will show them. They don't know what I know now. I can remember how God was it. Elisa, Karaman, cosa. How God is it?
Ibinigwe, mekwere map. They will that please. I do it down. Nobody goes here. It's done.
Nele, I hope you covered it very well.
Nene, I covered it very well.
Let them come and enter the land now, let us see.
And now we have proven, and we will continue to prove that he that is in us is greater than he that is in the world.
Where is that proverb coming from? What's the name?
One more with Eliza. It is not a proverb. This one is a Bible quotation.
What is it? What does it mean?
Nigga, don't worry. I don't even know. I don't even know the meaning. But Brother Timothy used to use it every time he enters into spiritual warfare. You know, spiritual warfare of prayer. He would not say it. After everything, he will not say it. He that is in us is greater than he that is in the world.
But he will not add fire.
I've seen it before.
Yes.
I've seen it before.
What did you see?
Fire. Fire.
That is why he that is in us is greater than he that is in the world. Yes. Say it again. World.
Take your Bible. Let's go. Let them come and enter.
What about Bonyo? I'm gonna cry.
This is the last one. Wow. This is the land. I think this is good for the project.
Yes.
The bank will happy to have this. Okay. Did it get up to that end?
Yes, there is a fence before the building.
Oh, wonderful.
Yes, wonderful.
Oh, what is happening? What is happening? I'm confused. What is happening? I'm getting...
Yes.
Are you sure these people will come to sign this document?
Of course they will come.
You know that they cannot commence work on that land without duly signing those papers.
What?
Yes, now. So let's wait for them. Let's give them a little patience.
Oh, why they come?
But they don't look so bright.
They don't look bright at all.
It's okay, say.
Yes.
It's okay, say. I never knew you were like this. You are a wicked man.
What's the problem? What happened?
You know what? There's no need for this long, Turanchi grammar. We need the entire money back, minus no dime. That land is no good.
We are not buying the land again. Refund us our money.
Is anything the matter?
Return our money to us.
You sold an evil land unto us. We walked into this land, it was quaking, vibrating, we were almost dead.
An evil land?
Evil land? Yeah.
We stepped into that land and we had a strange experience.
Strange experience?
What sort of fairy tale is this?
Not just a fairy tale. You sold an evil land unto us.
Incredible. Let's go. Let's go and find out what that's. Shall we?
Let's go.
Hey! Evil land.
Evil.
Hey.
Vibrating.
Not vibrating.
Ha! Oh. Can you imagine? So you people left your car and ran away? Hey! So look at that. You left your car and ran away. Yes.
I hate when men are behaving like women. Imagine leaving their car.
Let them be. You know what? Let's get in there and clear their foolishness.
Yes, foolishness indeed. Let's find out. Is it not the land? Is there anything wrong with it?
It is.
Joe Kaisam. Old fools. I mean, old fools. Ah, Marara. Old fools. They want like.
Hey, just stop it there. Stop this moment. I have a question for you, Elizabeth. What did you do to that land that we sold to the bank people?
Those are the Nukuta Juju, Do Re Mi Ijolom Kamza. Me, I don't know what you're talking about.
Hey, do not pretend that you don't know what I am talking about. Don't ever give me that pretense. Hey, listen to me. I'm just giving you only 2 days, just 2 days, to go and undo whatever you did to that land. Is that clear? 2 days.
Not the way we young shell. I am present, not the way we young shell. Give me the possible. Eh? I called you placenta Yaraka Party. Ichi or you go to. Right. How can an able-bodied man like you talking rubbish every time? Don't
tell Lisa her. At least we are here. As she opened that trash called mouth and referred to a titled man as placenta.
Huh? We shall see. I am sorry. I'm pleading on her behalf. Will you shut up?
Hey! No. We shall see.
I am sorry.
We shall see. No! Don't beg me. We shall see.
All right.
Teacher.
How are you?
You didn't tell me you have gone to recover your cap from that coast land.
Which cap?
The one you're wearing now.
That land? I'm not going back to that land again.
Oh, that's one.
Do you expect me to go back to that land after what I went through? This is another one, my brother.
It's like you're going out.
Yes. I want to attend the meeting at the village school. Are you not going?
I'm talking about the bank people. They have not said anything to you.
Oh, they say they are no longer interested, that they are not buying again. In fact, that we have to refund their money.
Hey!
That we are evil people.
Did they say that?
So get prepared for refund. That's what they said.
You're refunding money.
That's the situation. Let me go and come back.
Let me come after you.
Okay, let's go then. Hey! Stop there. Stop! Hey, thief! I'm going on here! Mabito teletapu kongwe no show tele. Huh? Sure. Hey, Chineke me. Hi. Chiliki. Okay. Iche, you think you can mess me up in this village, eh? You think you frustrate me in this village? My villager? Oh, man, but honestly, I never knew I have this talent of escape, you know. Imagine after shouting, thief, vigilantes and with them. What could have been my story?
Oh, the one kicking a dead man who when I got you also. Eli.
Eliza, what is the problem?
There's something very important I would like to discuss with you.
Okay. Tell me, I'm listening.
Each time I remember what Ichiokezi and Mazi Ejike said concerning my son, I feel like doing something very ruthless to them. I feel like strangling.
Wait. Ichiokezi and Mazi Ejike again. What again did they say? Is it the first thing, the former thing they said, or have they said another one?
Oh, it's same thing now. The thing is paining me. How can he say that my son is just a member of the family by name?
Eliza, don't mind those old fools. They are big idiots. But I know what they are what they are planning. I know the game they are playing. They want to take away your son Ahamefula's inheritance.
Yes, sir?
Yes. They are planning to take away his inheritance. But they cannot succeed. They cannot. How can they succeed? Not when I know what I know now. They can succeed.
I want to teach them a small lesson. Small lesson. What better hunting small? What better hunting? All these things that Ichiokeze will come and say that he's the eldest of the family, that whatever he says goes. No. How dare you?
No way.
I want my son, Ahamefula, to be the head. I want him to be the head of the family. Bam.
Now you're talking like John Bosco's sister. Queen Elizabeth. Bam. Ihe chọrọ igbu but ịchọ ekwekwedo.
Ịghọtara ebe m gaje make eche ma aka ka m na-arịrị ma happy buje.
But first, there's something we need to do. We have to work it out so that you will take complete possession. I mean, total control of all the family lands. No, so all of them.
I intend doing that one too.
Once we achieve that one, the next step is for us to plan a strategy by which we will manipulate things so that your son Ahamefula will take his rightful position in the family. You understand? And you know, Eliza, when your son Ahamefula takes up his rightful position in that family, you automatically will become the head of that family. You know that? Bam! But first, we need powerful spiritual fortification from Ikuku. Yes. So that I know what to tell you, but let me first of all change my dress and then we'll go. Hey! It's okay here. Okay.
Onye na-asiga tulujo gbasara ihe ị ga-eri ma ọ bụ ihe ị ga-eyinụ n'ahụ lekwa ụmụnnu n'igwe ma ha nwere ubi ma ọ bụ ọba mana Chukwu nna na-azụ ha Mama Ebuka, good morning.
Where are you coming from?
Morning mass.
Eliza, you go to church every morning. How come you're still being married by a woman? Don't you think you're mainly deceiving yourself? Eliza, don't you know you're committing fornication up and down by sleeping with different men to get pregnant? Eliza, where is it written in this Bible you're holding that a woman whose husband is late can marry her fellow woman? In a Bible every day na gari ebe kedre na akwụkwọ nsọ Eliza. Akwụkwọ eziokwu. Unu na-ebikwa ndụ n'ime njọ. You people are living in sin.
The same Bible. So, thou shalt not judge. Teacher, where denta? You
people are just deceiving yourself. You people are living in sin.
Neka. Wagozo. When you see things that does not concern you, you keep your mouth shut. As I rub this toko together, I inflict you with blindness, total blindness, total blindness, total blindness, total blindness.
What is happening to my eyes? I can't see you. Oh my God. I can't see. I can't see. I can't see. Somebody help! I can't see. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. Oh my God. Oh my God. Somebody help. I can't see. I hear voices. Somebody help! My eyes. I was coming back from meeting. Suddenly something entered my eyes. I can't see.
Sorry.
I can't see.
Go this way.
God,
Sorry.
Please, I need you to help me get some boys to help me cultivate my family.
Do you have the rough estimate of the boys that you want? Like how many? Numbers?
4. I think 4 will be enough.
It's a done deal. consider it done.
Hi, we'll be about to learn. Thank you very much.
No, there's no problem.
Come and see me off.
See you off to where now? See, you requested for 4 boys to help you cultivate. The boys has been approved. So what you have to do now is to follow me. Let's just go inside, and I will not do anything. You touch me, I touch you, touch me, I touch you. You know, you.
Because no. I'm not in the mood.
I can borrow you mood. I can give you mood. Even if you are not in the mood, you know I can still provide mood for you. I can get you mood. I can even buy it for you. Sir.
I don't want us to start dragging this thing. I'm not in the mood now.
No, don't say that now. You're already here. You don't want us to waste your coming. You want us to waste coming to this place.
24 hours again, quick.
You don't need to say that. Am I not a man? Is man not me? Have I? See, come and see me. Wait now. Okay, see, let me tell you, we will not waste time. You are here. You do want to go just like that.
Because I don't like entering inside.
Not a matter of entering inside. We will not waste time. You know I don't last long. Let's go first now.
Hey! Who are you people? Who are you people and what do you think you are doing here?
It's okay, I agree to sir. But is it not obvious what we are doing here?
On whose permission? I mean, who gave you the permission to start clearing this land? Who?
It is the owner of this particular land that paid us very well to clear it for her.
Huh?
Yes.
Oh, she's even a woman. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Who is that woman?
Oh.
What are you doing on my land?
Yeah. So you are the one they are referring to as a woman. Let me tell you, this land belongs to Okonkwo's family. And as the head of the family, it belongs to me. You don't own any land.
For your information, all the family land belongs to me and my son.
You see, I said it. I said that something definitely is wrong with your senses. Can't you see you are mad? In fact, you should be chained at home before you dance naked to the market.
I don't have time for rubbish talk. Walk! I beg you.
Hey! Stop that nonsense this moment. Don't try it again. I am talking and you are clearing the land. Who told you that a woman owns a land in this place? Leave these premises now. Else, you will not like what I will do to you. The calamity that will befall on you. Don't say I didn't warn you.
You're just wasting your time. Better go home and rest your bones. Better go home now and rest your bones.
I can see that you boys are still adamant. Wait and see what I will do to you. Nonsense.
I got pray to clear.
Wait for me.
I got pray to clear.
You wait.
Where are you going? Walk, my friend, walk. Walk, I paid you. Walk. Not the way we are in the shade. Walk. Hulalo.
I can't see you. Hey, my eyes. Somebody help me or I can't see. Hey. What is happening to me? Blindness. I can see now. Okay, so you can see.
What is all this? I must fight this fight. Yes? Aye! Hey! Oh my God! Hey! Help! What is happening? What is happening? Hey! Am I going blind or what? Am I blind? Hey, total blindness. Hi. Hi. What is this now? I can see clearly now. I can't try it the third time. Oh. It's better I peacefully stay back than go blind. Hey! You are Tami Gunisi. Oh! What is happening to me? No. Bambo to no gwa baba to no gwe. Bro so gwe ka ga pela ko. Hey, let me stay back. Oh.
My brother, you needed to have seen what happened to me today. In fact, I don't know how to start explaining it. Honestly.
Blindness one. My brother, this is strange.
Indeed. Very strange. Do you know that when I move forward like this, steps forward, I will not see. But the moment I go backwards, I'll see. Clearly even. To the extent I say to myself, what is this? Okay, Zee, what is happening to you? And I made a move, same thing, twice. Then on the third time, I decided not to try it again. No. Decided to stay home and have my sight. I haven't seen this type of thing before.
But does it mean that Eliza is capable of commanding such diabolical powers?
That one doesn't know anything. No. She's only being stupid and foolish.
Nine, I don't trust her one bit. I don't trust her. She is capable of doing anything.
Well, I don't really think so, because in real life, women that are introverts are the ones capable of doing this. But you see, extroverts, they hardly can say or go diabolical. So, if we are to suspect anybody that can do this, I would rather say it's Ngozi. Because Ngozi is always cha.
Okay. Then who was behind the sudden loss of sight and all the dramas?
Ejike, my brother, that is what I cannot tell, even up till now. I don't know whether to say it's spiritual or to say it's humanly. I don't really know.
No, I think it's time we go for another family meeting.
Yes.
To discuss this.
Yes, I think so.
I concur. I agree totally with you, because we need to. And this time around, we should invite their people. Yes? Let them come and see what their daughters are doing in our family. Let them come and hear them out. What can they do? Can you imagine? They want to take over the land that I have been cultivating over years.
You
really have to. Really have to.
It's your case here. My people, I believe we are making progress. We've all heard what Ichiokezie said, that Eliza is contesting his leadership of the family. She goes into the family's land and cultivates without his knowledge. I think we need to hear from her.
Sorry, you, my people, please. I think there is a very, very important matter which we need to address before we can hear from my sister. Otherwise, we will not make any headway in this reconciliation meeting. First and foremost, it is important that we address the issue of Ichiokezie here and his brother Maziejike opened their mouth and said that my own sister's son, Ahamefuna, is only a member of their family in name and not by blood. It is a matter we need to resolve before we make any headway.
Sit down, John Bosco. We are here to discuss real issues and not hearsay.
I should sit down.
Sit down, my friend.
Now, who told you that I talk hearsay? The boys who made the statement are here. Ask them if what they said or if what I said they said is true or false.
John Bosco, who are you referring to as boys?
Do you call me boy?
Before. Are you a girl? Even why?
Now I can deduce that something is definitely wrong with your head. The same thing that is disturbing your sister is equally disturbing you.
To see that something is wrong with and not my brother.
Then tell your brother to close that his dirty mouth and stop talking nonsense. We are here for serious business. Yes.
It is you and your wife Sabi that are talking arrant nonsense.
Ozolano. I told me no. We are not here to trade insults. John Bosco, we have taken note of all that you said. We shall address that later. Now, Eliza, is it true that you are contesting the leadership of this family? If so, on what basis?
Hey! Dosa, don't look at Jojo. Let me tell you, I am not going to say Pam in this meeting until Kue not Dralanga. They apologize to me for saying that my son is only a member of the family by name and not by blood. Billionaire. Bilalo, very bad.
I have said it. I said it before that this matter cannot be resolved. But all of you, we are busy opposing me. I say we cannot make any headway in this reconciliation meeting until this matter is solved.
Shut up, John Bosco, and stop talking nonsense. Scallywag.
Me, Scallywag?
Yes.
Chai! Hey! You bomb Scallywag again. I make you hate me for 1 month.
I said shut up.
Chai! Bible, thank your God, that I am now a born again, with my Bible. If not, Anyagi Akahonte.
This is all right. It's enough. It's enough. Ozola. Chifude, please, what do we do? What do we do?
What do you want us to do when the woman is not talking? She's not saying anything.
Point of correction. Eliza, happen there. Point of correction. My sister has said something. Don't say she is not saying anything. She has said that Nanka should apologize to her.
Will you shut up? Shut up.
You are telling me shut up.
Omubo. Queen Elizabeth. Hamonda. Hey, Amanamgeno. Amamge.
Hey, 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 hey! What are you doing here? Who are you? Who are you?
Good afternoon, sir.
What is good about the afternoon? What are you doing in my farmland?
It was Eliza. My name is Ifoma actually, but Eliza paid me to cultivate this farm.
You are mad. So Eliza paid you to come and cultivate in my own land. If you don't leave here now, I will slice you into pieces. Get out of this place. Are you still watching? Get out of this place.
No.
Hey! Eliza, you're daring me. Okay.
Eliza, he chased me out of the farm with a very big cutlass. And then ended up destroying the mount I had already made.
Oh, wait. Ichioke did all this.
Why?
But he didn't hurt you.
Me? Mbao, he did not. Immediately I saw the look in his eyes. I knew that man was ready to take my head off my shoulders. I took to my heels. Hey, I know that if you see the cutlass, Chineke me, very, very sharp.
I know him now, evil man.
Hi.
No. Hey.
Oh.
You know what will happen? Just go home. Go home and rest. And leave the rest for me.
So
I'll come and see you later.
No problem. So long as I have this head on top of these shoulders, I can go to my house. No? Take care. Also, Bade.
Hey. What a placenta. I got preto.
This thing is becoming too much. Imagine this. I will deal with you people. In short, the entire village will know about this nonsense. Eh? I'm just coming back for you. Don't worry. The entire village will know about this nonsense.
You come back.
Ogechi, stop crying like this now. No one has said he is dead. He is only missing. And we are doing our best to find him.
I should not cry. No, you said I should not cry.
Yes.
I have not seen my husband for 2 days. And you said I should not cry.
He will come
If
back.
he's not dead, then let him come home. Somebody should go and bring my husband back.
Okay.
Hey! We come back.
Okay. Please stop crying, eh? Like they are telling you, he is not dead.
Yes.
He will surely come back. And we are not folding our hands. We are making some efforts. We've contacted the police who promised family that they are going to look for him and bring him back.
Police.
They told us that they will get back to us as soon as they see him. So,
they've contacted the police.
yes.
Let the police bring my husband back now. And he come back. Hey! Huh?
Yes. Listen to them. Yes.
Yes. Thank God you are here.
So what is it?
What is it? Well, I say make I use this opportunity to tell you. You see that thing your mother told you? My own mother tell me the same thing also.
Yeah, Uduma, what is it?
What is it?
Ogini? Yes.
Why did you say, in fact, what was the reason of shouting thief from when you saw me last night? As if you don't know my reason of coming to this compound.
Have I not warned you to stop coming to this compound? Because you are a bad blood.
I'm a bad blood.
Yes!
I'm a bad blood.
You heard me?
Are you the only one living in this compound? Or not give you no. Do you have any right to ask anybody to stop coming? Don't come to this place, don't come to this place. Or not give you no. You're not alone. See, Anugom, I've heard that very soon you'll be leaving this place because now you're a tenant. You are
an idiot. Very soon, you and that your stupid girl will soon hear from me.
You say you are the one that will hear from us very soon. I'm going to hear your very soon. Because by the time they chase you out of this compound, I have one room left for you that I can clean up for you. I'll get my go. I will not collect dime.
You're a psycho. You said
before I forget, I want to pass the information to you. I'm a if I'm coming, if you like, when you see me again, shout and shout again. But in him, if you shout, when you get one, I will
get out.
I should get out. No, when you see me, shout, thief, as if you don't know my mission. Who in this compound? I don't know what I'm doing. Thief. Landlord. Tenant in his father's house.
I can't wait to see you running mad in the street. Zuzu Paba.
I'm a wine again. I'm talking him. Home nabali. Tell you to Chichoso. Only tell one wine again. Or I can't compare. You're already beside on Yereka.
You come Pukwe. Idiot. Psycho.
Hey, Ikuku is very powerful. Chokwe, as a matter of fact, Ikuku is one of the most powerful native doctors in the whole of Africa. In fact, it is even rumored that Ikuku cannot die. Believe me, it is true.
All my enemies, I will be dealing with them with the power of Ikuku.
Do whatever you want to do. Don't allow anybody to mess with you. You are John Bosco's sister. Nobody should mess with you. If they push you or try to talk to you, you push them. Nobody can do you anything. Nobody can do anything at all to mess up with you. I will advise you to imbibe caution, especially when it has to do with Ichie Okezie. When it is Ichie Okezie, when he messes up, don't push him too hard. But don't hit him too hard so people will not suspect you. But don't hit him too hard. I don't want accusing fingers pointed at you.
I understand.
No problem, my sister.
I understand very well.
Wonderful.
But where do you think you could carry the Majejike to?
Lele mo. Juwakwala Majejo. Nama has said. But come to your Chinese, I said that way you used to reply. Let me
Okay. Dosa nukuta jojo. Do re mi izurum tamza.
How will I know? About Ikuku? Maybe Ikuku has kukurized him to maybe Burundi or Somalia or even Zambia forest.
But what if Ikuku has carried him to America or London? Ogamo made the mistake.
No, I don't think so. The Ikuku I know is very powerful in Africa. There's no way. Oh no, there's no way you can carry Ejike to any of those places. No, Ejike will be where he'll be suffering. Not gonna. It's gonna be a battle yam and easy.
America and London are them.
There's no way you can Ikukurize him to those places. And not to bother. That one should not bother you because it does not bother me at all. What matters most to me now is that you, my sister, will now live peacefully. The peace will be there. Nobody will disturb you. Okay? That is what matters to me.
Musasha.
Now.
Musasha. Oh, you're trying to prepare.
I'm so very prepared.
So, Papa, are you serious?
No. That is it too. For the past 2 weeks, Zukana Wachalacha, I have a barrel, Uncle Mazejike. What only way came his whereabouts. Because initially I knew him of kidnapping. Whether they kidnapped him and was demanding for ransom, but now nobody is too sure now. We've reported the case anyway to the police, who advised that we should hold on. At any reasonable information, they should give it to us. But till now, nothing. What do you want?
Could it be the kidnapping for ransom?
Well, like I did say, we thought it was that, but it's getting too long. No demand was made, no nothing. That we are left more confused.
Maybe, let's hope, maybe they will call. Let's wait and exercise patience.
Where is that idiot? Come out here! Nikompu! I said come out here! Come out here! Come out here, my friend!
Disturbing the peace of this compound.
Thunder fire you there! Thunder seal that to your mouth there!
So you are the one disturbing the peace of this compound. You have now carried your ranting to my household this hot afternoon. Why?
You're an idiot too. And I tell you what, I'm going to kill you with my bare hands. I can kitty can get you with the wire.
Which hand? This one. This hand I will just pluck out like this and use it and flog you out of this compound.
I didn't know you are like this.
So what did I do this time?
You didn't. You don't know what you did. You are supporting this idiot beside you to cultivate on all the lands that belongs to the family, leaving none to me.
Which farmlands are we talking about?
You don't know the 5 plots of lands on different locations that we have. Why would she cultivate on all of them?
So, what is wrong with that?
My husband asked him,
what is wrong with that?
For your information, the land, those lands you're talking about, belongs to my son, Ahamefula. Yes, and there is nothing anybody can do about it, even you. Go and go.
You are insane. I can see that you've lost it. You are insane. But I tell you what, I am going to use bulldozer, you know, caterpillar, to level all that you have planted on those lands.
Ha! You can't try it.
Eh?
See, if you try, if you try it, hey, I prepare, man.
Preto? Is Preto not your second name? Prepare. Just get prepared because we are going to Preto. You Preto. You Preto to your damn fall. You are too small. You are too small. You will see what I will do to you. In fact, both of you. With your naked eyes. Try me.
You can't do it. You can't do anything.
All right. We shall see. You see that Preto? You will see the better Preto in me. Idiot. Idiot.
He doesn't have strength. I'll plug it out. Don't worry. My queen. Oh, give me. Prepare.
3 days ago, a report came to Igwe and council of some disagreement in this family. Igwe specifically appointed me to invite the two warring factors to prefer a peaceful solution. That's why we are all gathered here. Ichiokezi, you brought the report. Please could you tell the council what is the matter?
Thank you very much. You know, I wouldn't want to beat around the bush, so I better go straight to the point. I am the head of this family. I mean the Okonkwo's family. But I am being treated like an outcast by the women married to this family. To be specific, Ngozi and her wife cultivated on all the farmlands that belongs to the family. We have 5. Usually I cultivate 2 and my younger brother Ejike cultivate on 2 and they cultivate 1. But
Guinea, which of the lands are you talking about? Hey, Chief, which of the land are you talking about? Is it the one that you almost sold to the bank? You could be specific. I like orderliness.
Don't interrupt him. Again. You will say your own when it's done.
thank you very much. And so that is it. That is how we distributed the lands. But this time around, they cultivated on all the lands, leaving none to me. My question is this: where do I cultivate in order to feed my family?
Ngozi, did you hear what he said? Is it true that you people cultivated all the whole family land, leaving none for him?
Oh no. With due respect, I want you to ask him one pertinent question. And that is, during this time, he was sharing the family land between himself and his brother, giving us just 1. And this one, they went out to sell. Did we come to complain? Did we complain? No. Ask him that question.
That's not the answer, Ngozi. The question is, did you cultivate on all the family farmland?
Hey, what happened here? That question you're asking now is off the track. Off the track. What I expected you to ask is that we should state our own case, just like Ichioke's here stated his own case now. I like orderliness.
Very good. Now state your own case.
Let me state my case.
Yes.
Please, case number 1. Because I love orderliness. My number 1 case, Ichie Okezie here is a goat. Let me tell case number 1. Case number 2. Ichiokezie. Witch. Google it. Placenta. This man is a goat. That is who he is. Oh, I'm not sure.
Look at you.
It's a pipe prianga. We want to know. It's a prianga. Ask him get your eye prianga. I want to let you them. I like orderliness. I don't.
Oh.
Hey, what kind of rubbish is this now? What kind of trouble is this? Oh my God. Hey.
Husband?
Is it not Igwe?
Igwe?
Yes, Igwe sent his messengers to this place.
So what did they say to you?
They said, you know that our land at Nwangere? And that one at Urunta. The Igwe said that we should never step our feet on those lands again.
Why?
He said it now belongs to Ichiokezi.
Ichiokezi?
That was what he said. And you know, he said we should not even uproot what we have already planted there. They say that one, they don't belong to us again.
What? Ichiokezi? Now owns the land?
But can you imagine? Now, it means that Ichiokezi now has 3 farmlands. What we have only 2. Is it good?
For what?
I don't know.
Ichiokezi wants to reap where he belongs to. But my husband though, Igwe did not do well. How can he? Why will he give such verdict? Igwe is an idiot. He's a stupid man. How could he have given such verdict? A land that I planted with my hard-earned money and my sweat, all of a sudden, somebody will now come out and claim ownership. Okay, Meme, it's not possible. I want to go somewhere.
Where? Come. Where are you going to?
Somewhere around the world.
World? I don't want trouble.
Myself, I don't want trouble.
Really?
Honestly, I want to do Ichiokezi what I did to Mazi Ejike.
I've told you, Elisa. Don't go that way. Take it easy. Calm down. You see, if Ichiokezi goes missing like Mazi Ejike, people will suspect you. They begin to point accusing fingers at you and your husband Ngozi. I don't want that to happen. So you have to calm down. Take it easy.
But I want to do it. Something painful. I want him to feel pain.
I understand how you feel. But I know you can still handle him. You already have the powers of Ikuku. So you use it and handle him in a supple manner so that people will not easily suspect you. In fact, by the time you keep handling it small. I can feel kitchen action. By the time he knows what is happening to him, his mind will leave the whole of the farmlands. He'll be so busy battling to save himself from his problems that he will no longer think of farmlands. Oh, you bigger the film. Balitea, Wachonki, Balichayavum. Let's go. One more.
Lord.
One more. Hey. It's okay, see. Anyaga hunting. You know, I have good water in the house.
Iche, will you stop there? Stop there. And where do you think you are going to?
Ichie, anytime I enter this compound, everybody knows my mission, including you. So asking me this question now is as if you don't know my mission here. I know where I'm heading to, and where I'm heading to knows that I'm coming. Ichie.
I've been warning you. I've been warning you. How many times have I warned you not to enter this compound again? You are looking for my trouble. Stop coming into this compound. You, be careful.
Ichie telling me to stop coming to this compound. You know it's a mission of impossibility. So coming to this place, you know that I used to come to this place. So telling me to stop coming is something that cannot be. Ichie, forget about it. I know that you have your own mission and I have my own mission. What you're supposed to tell me now is safe journey. While I'm going to safe journey. I'm trying to get you and when I hand them before you are oh my jewel can go up here. No problem.
Who was that girl I saw you with yesterday?
The girl? Oh, that girl? No, the girl, she was just a friend that we passed. I was passing now. She passed us. We passed. So she was talking to me.
Shut up! On your road safety. Papa, pass wala moto.
I don't even like herself.
Simple question. Who could road safety? I can't go. Simple question. You're reading long epistle. Why are you sounding so defensive?
It's not as if I'm sounding so defensive. I'm trying to defend myself. The issue is that the girl in question that you are talking about, I don't even know this girl. She was the girl that we are just friends. I don't even like the girl. Yes, I've bred now.
If I find out that you're seeing another woman,
over my dead body, I cannot do such a thing.
Hot dog with a fire got fire.
I cannot do such a thing.
I wonder where he's going.
That one is not an issue. Maybe he's trying to touch to his farm or just to do one or two cultivation. His farmland. Maybe he has an emergency in the farm.
He doesn't have a farmland.
Huh? No farmland?
We can get bread there small.
What do I do?
Hey, Eliza, who is pursuing you?
Nobody.
Who is pursuing you?
Nobody. My husband, nobody is pursuing me. It's just that I saw Ichie Okeze. Yes.
Where?
Along that farm at Urunda Road.
Maybe he's going there.
He's going there now.
What do we do now? Let us go and stop him. Let's go and stop him.
My husband, you know I don't like trouble. Jehovah, will take control.
Aye! What is this? What is happening to my eyes? My eyes are... Hi! I can't see, it's hurting me. Hi! My eyes! My eyes! Somebody help me! Oh! I can't see! I can't see my eyes! My eyes!
No, but you want your so you will not fall. Ready? Follow like this, follow like this. Follow this one, follow this one. Follow this one. Hey, don't follow, sorry.
I thought you were going to take him from us.
How do you know he has issues with his eyes?
I say with tissue. Also tissue, I share your What is my business? Huh? You people are very stupid. How can you be identifying yourself with a thief, a criminal?
No. Let's take him home.
Young man, please don't mind her. Huh? Take me to my very house. Take me to my own house. Huh? Don't mind her.
Not very long. Your tissue with your eyes. Megara yoku. Meri megara yoku. Abula do track. Meri megara yoku. Don't more for a quang. Can him and die. Can him and bury. This is just a tip of the iceberg.
How did it happen?
It is strange, my brother. I don't know what to call it or how to describe it. I was just moving when suddenly, from nowhere, the heavy dust entered my eyes. And that was it. It became so painful that I could not use it or use them again.
And where were you going to when this happened?
I was actually going to Wangene forest to collect some bamboo that I used to support my young tendrils.
Okay, there's something I wanted to say to you.
So what is it?
It's about your brother, Mazejike.
Yes. What about him?
I'm going about trying to find what happened or what caused his sudden disappearance from this community. And all the answers I get are the same. I remember I made some suggestions to you sometime. And you told me you're a Christian, you don't visit such places.
Yes, I told you. So, what did you find out?
Your brother Ejike is alive. Hmm? Some powerful spirits drove him out of this community. But please, don't let the wife know yet.
Where is he exactly? Huh? And why did the so-called powerful spirit drive him away? How come no one saw him leaving this community? When is he going to come back?
Okay, dear. I have played my own part as the head of this kindred. All the answers to your questions you can find out. And while you're trying to find out the answers to these questions, also ask about your swollen eyes. You're welcome.
Thank you. Thank you.
I summoned you here because Ikuku has a message for you.
Me?
Yes. You are going to sacrifice your son to the great Ikuku. Will you shut up? Before Ikuku strikes you and the entire family dead.
Please, we are very sorry, Ikuku.
it will not be murder, sir.
No buts. Your son will be sacrificed in the next 7 days.
Hey.
Get prepared.
Excuse me. Mom, Jeko. It's because of him I'm doing all these things.
Please. Now let me ask you something. Has Ikuku ever demanded anything from you? No. But you have been demanding for favors from Ikuku. And other things from Ikuku. Ikuku has never for one day hesitates to answer your prayers, to hear your cry. Ikuku asks for just one thing, and that is your son. Do not fail Ikuku. Those who fail, they never live to tell the story today. Be one.
Please.
Eliza, my love. The only love I have in the whole world. Where are you coming from? And where are you going to under this rain?
Again, stay away from me.
Makaganin. Ellie, this one you look so horrible, as if someone. Ellie! Lisbeth! Eliza!
Elizabeth of England. Wanamua. What is the problem? My beloved wife, what is the problem? You have barely touched your food for 2 whole days now. Huh? And you're not talking to me. What is it now? Did somebody die in your father's house?
Bye. You don't do my bell.
My in-law, come in.
My in-law.
You're welcome, my in-law. You're welcome.
What is happening?
I don't know. She has been like this for days. I don't know what the problem is. I was even trying to see if I can send words across to you.
My in-law, I am here now.
Okay.
Don't worry. I will talk to her. Elisa is my sister now.
I
know how to talk to her, and I shall talk to her. I promise you, when I finish talking to her, she will be okay.
Okay.
My in-law.
Thank you. That was why I was looking for you.
Try.
Nemo, London. Hell, my in-law. Thank you.
Let me just
thank you very much. Let me see the children.
Elisa. After all, who says you cannot have another son? Try Elisa one name. Stop crying now. Are you not the one who gave birth to her, Mayfla? All you need to do is to do the needful quickly. And you get pregnant. Hopefully it will be a boy. Try. Elisa, I never knew that Ikuku would ask for blood from your hands, let alone your own son. I never knew. Elisa, try one more. Queen Elizabeth. Please now, please. Ikuku has been helping you. You just try. It's not good. They will find out too. Elisa. Talk now. Hey, my
nwanne m. Queen Elizabeth. Eli. You say, I say, make I come. That thing would always do me today in the mood. Don't come. I say, make I see. Eliza, Queen of England. Ugobo. This one, she did not talk to me. Did anybody offend her? I'm not so one guy, any level journal, and let them shine your head. Eli! Chidema will be the next option. It's like I'll go to Chidema's house. Kanganga, Mamanga, Boppy, and now. Obajolo draw. Hagamanyopia, Kamama, Cogan. Elio!
Biko, great Ikuku. Biko, I've come to make a plea.
Okay.
As for the sacrifice, I've agreed to do that.
That's good.
But can I sacrifice my daughter instead?
No.
Oh.
The great Ikuku demands for the blood of a male relative that is directly related to you. And that is why he chose your son.
Directly related to you?
Yes.
Yeah, the same blood.
Direct relation, same blood.
In that case, let me sacrifice my brother. I think John Bosco's blood settles it.
So be it, if that is your final answer.
Oh, final answer.
No problem. The cuckoo has heard you. But remember, you have just 2 days left. 2 days.
That won't be a problem. I can even do that today.
Settled.
So,
no problem.
Thank you very much.
So, you can be on your way now, huh?
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay, Rula.
John Bosco. John Bosco. John Bosco. I command you to sleep and never to wake up again. Sleep. The sleep of death. Rest in peace. Rest in peace. Rest in peace.
Come in. You are here. I was even thinking of coming to see you later in the day.
What is the problem?
You asking me what is the problem? You should be the one to answer the question. What was your problem yesterday? What happened?
Yesterday? What happened? I don't understand.
Now, when I came to your house yesterday, why did you ask me to stay off you? I should stay, I should not even come close to you. What happened?
Oh, that. Is it not, what's his name again? Ichio Kezi and his brother. They really annoyed me yesterday. I'm sorry about that.
What happened?
Nothing. I can
Tell me now.
I said I can handle it. Look, I brought you food.
Our spirits works together as if you know that I'm hungry.
Your favorite.
Wow. No, leave it. I will eat it at my own convenient time. But as a channel, so that after eating, I'll have time for you.
I'm in a haste. I have evening mass to attend.
Evening mass. When I'm planning block rosary for you. Chiniki.
Specially made for you.
It's the kind of assorted halfway oh, Jesus. It's for us, not only me.
Okay, if you insist.
My in-law. Anoja.
Now, you now have appetite to eat because you thought your plans are, are successful. You decided to sacrifice me to Ikuku instead of your son that Ikuku asked for.
If I no sacrifice, you waiting again.
I thought to wagin me.
Hero, want. Jumposuka, some hero, or want. Are you not the one that took me to Ikuku? Okay, Mom, got there.
Yes. Has Ikuku not benefited you immensely? I took you to Ikuku. And so what? It's not because of Ikuku. Give you a Maja, Queen Elizabeth, Ghana Maja Arena this copper. It's not because of Ikuku. It's of you to sacrifice that your fat-headed son, Amefula, to Ikuku. You try to sacrifice me.
Do more for a one. My son, big-headed son. Big-headed son. I don't blame you. You don't know the pain of childbirth. You don't know the pain of sacrificing one son to an oracle. Or you
Lelen, I don't know the pain because you don't know how many I have pissed here and there. Do you know how many children I have outside there? Useless you.
I'm not sure. Everybody I can't check deceiving people. You think I'm them?
You don't carry Bible. All you have is till 12 o'clock midnight. It is Abali. Boom!
I can
if
see.
You don't sacrifice your son, it could get wrong.
I can see it is your plan because you're very happy saying it. It is your plan and you could sacrifice my only son. On good walk around. Idiot.
12 midnight.
12 midnight. 12 you some pepper. Singapore. One name on my face. I'm someone.
All right. We don't come, so we don't come.
We don't feel go back home. Ayabla. You see this shrine? We must bring this shrine down. Ikuku must go down today. I say Ikuku must do what? Go down. We don't. For this village, Ikuku won't come play with us.
No.
See, as you talk like this now, yes. Anywhere you know, say you feel start the thing from. See this shrine. We must start this shrine today. Yes.
Oh, Tome.
Our great youth.
We do not condone evil and evil people in this community. My royal chiefs and I have deliberated on this matter. Will you shut up your mouth and let me talk? We have thought on this matter and decided to do what the law of the land says on matters like this. John Bosco and Elizabeth, both of you are hereby banished from this land for 50 years. I have spoken. Guards, take them away.
Mazejike, you are welcome. No. Please, I am begging you. Please find it in your heart to forgive me. Find it in your heart to forgive me. I did not know what Elizabeth was doing. God can bear me witness. I did not know. Nai, Bikoro. Please.
My people, Ngozi, my wife.
Nai.
I really saw her. If I tell you what happened to me, my eyes saw my ear.
Hey.
I saw her. But I thank this God for giving me life.
Well, I believe we have all learned our lessons. There's nothing as good as living peacefully with one another. And I've seen what the absence of peace could cause in any family. Quarreling and fighting in any family brings a whole lot of negative things to the human beings. I am happy that Mazi HK is here to tell his own story.
I can't thank God enough, but I'll always say all glory be to Him. God, take all the glory. Thank you. Can't thank you enough.
Ichie Okezie, as the head of this family now, you must ensure that peace reigns in this family. And you have to carry everyone along. Your late elder brother, Udoka, when he was the head of this family, Ngozi's late husband, there was peace in this family. There was no fighting, no bickering of any type about family property. So, you have to carry everyone along. Don't allow anyone to feel cheated. But let me sound it loud and clear. Ahamefule must be seen and treated as a bona fide member of this family, because that's what our tradition says he is.
Thank you so much, Chief Ude. We are now united, and so we shall ever remain united.